When small business owners and freelancers look for online banking options, understanding account costs is a top priority. A common question is whether NorthOne Bank offers a free business checking account option. The short answer is yes. NorthOne offers a tier known as the NorthOne Standard Plan, which features a $0 monthly maintenance fee. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar financial institutions that often require maintaining a minimum daily balance to waive monthly service charges, the standard digital business account from NorthOne does not enforce minimum balance requirements. However, looking closer at how digital financial platforms structure their services reveals that a $0 monthly fee does not automatically mean every transaction type is entirely cost-free. While you get access to digital banking tools, software integrations like QuickBooks and Shopify, and unlimited standard electronic transactions without paying a monthly subscription fee, certain operational actions on the free standard tier do carry individual service charges. For instance, companies utilizing the free standard tier may encounter fees when executing specific actions like sending domestic wire transfers, issuing physical checks, or completing same-day ACH payments. Businesses that require high volumes of expedited wires or specialized cash handling services might find themselves paying transactional fees unless they upgrade to a paid tier like NorthOne Plus, which shifts some of those costs in exchange for a monthly subscription fee. For early-stage startups, freelancers, and solopreneurs whose banking needs remain relatively straightforward and primarily digital, the free standard account provides a viable entry point. Evaluating your company's monthly transaction volume, wire frequency, and software integration requirements will help determine if the free tier aligns with your operational budget. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.